Hi guys, I'm here today to talk to you about kyjambyeeoutzsche. Now, talk about kyjambyeeoutzsche, and more importantly, not work on my thesis for a while. So, kyjambyeeoutzsche is a special hippie drink that's made of algae, and I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. Alright. 100% GT's. Oh, thank God for GT. Organic, raw kyjambyeeoutzsche. Thank God. It's got Klamath Mountain blue-green algae. Spirulina. And cholera? Is that? You can't see it on my thumb. It says cholera. I think it says cholera. Fuck. Right there. Hold on. Let me see if I can. Cholera. C-H-O. Cholera. So I'm not dying from diseases today. And 100% pure love. That's good. I don't know if that's FDA approved, but you know, it's kyjambyeeoutzsche. It's gluten-free, vegan, fuck yes, no GMO. And this product contains trace amounts of alcohol, no big deal. Alright, so we're gonna try some kyjambyeeoutzsche. I've never had kyjambyeeoutzsche before, but I'm told that it's great for you, and it makes you reawaken, rethink, rekindle, redefine, revive, restart, reclaim, reinvent, repropose, and rebirth. So, without further ado, we're gonna try some kyjambyeeoutzsche. Shit. I'm trying to balance my phone on a paper mache monkey head. Come on. Everyone's gonna see this. You're making me look like an idiot. Come on, stop it. Kyjambyeeoutzsche. Okay. Don't worry guys, it's got lots of poor quality omega-3 fatty acids in it. Okay, apparently you're not supposed to shake it. I didn't know that. I'm gonna let that calm down for a while. Alright, so here we go. Lots of poor quality omega-3s. What is it? H-A-L, or what is it? DP. It's the 2 plant ones that your body can't fucking absorb readily, so it's fucking stupid. The vegans are gonna tell you it's like miracle life juice, but really you should just be eating some goddamn fish. Because we don't digest plant omega-3s very well. So we get fish to do it for us, and then we eat the fish and it's all fucking great. Okay. Please don't explode. Alright. Algae water. It tastes exactly how you would expect a green liquid to taste. It's a little fizzy. It's not soda fizzy, it's champagne fizzy. It's like green champagne with a grassy aftertaste. Alright, let's see. What does this have? Enzymes. Why the... Your body makes enzymes! Why would you want supplementary enzymes? Probiotics and antioxidants. Kyjambyeeoutzsche. It's not nasty. It's a little nasty. And that's not fair. It's not nasty. It's just something you can't drink a whole ton of at once. It probably doesn't help I just drank like 2 bottles of water and a chai. My stomach's kind of full. Kyjambyeeoutzsche. See, it's... Oh, yeah. There it is. That's backwards, isn't it? You can't even fucking read it. Alright, well, mission accomplished. Do not shake. Keep refrigerated. Uszsche organic. I wonder why I wasn't supposed to shake it. Maybe that ruins the 100% pure love. It's not getting better as it goes. Oh! Not a fan of the kyjambyeeoutzsche. Maybe it's because I shook it. Oh, I get 5 cents for the bottle in California. And what the fuck is... Those aren't states. They're lying to me. Kyjambyeeoutzsche. It was probably the best advertising they've ever had. High profile internet celebrities such as me drinking Kyjambyeeoutzsche. I should look at the camera when I say that, not my face. Kyjambyeeoutzsche. Kyjambyeeoutzsche. I just want this to be over. This is like coffee. I need what's in it, but I just want it to be over. And I need kombucha espresso. Maybe they can just smash all the algae into a cube. You just take your algae cube. It's probably not Whole Foods enough. Oh, I got this at Whole Foods because we have a Whole Foods, and I was like, I should go to Whole Foods. Apparently vegetable oil is a whole food, in that, like, most of the stuff in their store is, like, you know, vegetable oil based. If it has to be, like, molecularly separated from the rest of the plant, I don't know if that's whole, but I'm not going to judge a bunch of smelly hippies. Oh god, pocket change, get out of here. The Kyjambyeeoutzsche. Well, that's over with. Good lord. No more Kyjambyeeoutzsche. There's a little bit left. No more kombucha. That was terrible. Don't get kombucha. I had different flavors. Maybe the other flavors are good. But I got multi-green because it's green, so it's good for you. I don't fucking know. Oh, I can feel all those omega-3s in my belly. You can't see it. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna chase that with something I don't hate. Chocolate. I think my body's mad at me for drinking that whole thing. What's we need? Nutrition. Calories 35. There's 2 servings per container. 35 calories. No fat, no cholesterol, so much for my omega-3s. 1% your sodium. 2 grams of sugar. 7 of carbs. The fuck's the rest of it? There's never any fiber listed. Gram of protein. And it's got folate, B2, 6, 1, 3, and 12. That's it. It's fucking stupid. It's got lactic acid, because you need that in your fucking diet. God knows your body doesn't make enough lactic acid. It's fucking dumb. Why did I get this? I'm a moron. Well, this is straight fucking algae. What do you guys do today? Crazy. I don't have any clean socks. I walked 2 miles in steel-toed boots. With no socks. That's what happened to my toe. Oh fuck, this is 11 minutes and I'm just gonna fucking watch this shit. I'm sorry.